I'm Martin Gregory from Retford Auto Centre. I've had 24 years experience in the motor trade. I was 20 years as a mechanic, started out as an apprentice at 16. In 2020 I decided to set up on my own, so I've had 4 years just working in a single bay. I was testing for 15 years prior to that, but I've not been able to just recently. And this new build's allowed me now to start testing again. I've got another couple of ramps, I've employed somebody, so yeah, things are looking up.
We built the building, we did the electrics, we did the groundworks, we did the MOT bay, 2-post lift.
I phoned up on the first occasion, spoke to Dwayne. I knew roughly what I wanted and they pointed me in the right direction. So, you know, I couldn't have been happier really. And then when the engineers came out, they've been brilliant. Drew in particular has been a cracking bloke to know. His knowledge is second to none. And I'm glad I've gone with the equipment that I have done rather than doing it on a budget.
Martin chose European equipment in the end. We had the oldest RAV distributor in the UK and we've been dealing with RAV for over 30 years. We're very glad he chose European equipment to a lot of things out there that are just not up to what they need to be in the workshop. So we're very happy he chose this.
Once the building was up, we got the ball rolling with all the equipment, the MOT bay, a 2-post ramp. It was all kind of done under one roof, and this ramp's brilliant because we can, although I can only test class 4s, it's big enough for vans and servicing, you know, decent sized vans. Yeah, it's a brilliant bit of kit.
As you can see, this equipment is already well used. Martin's been in for a few months now. He's actually really enjoyed the equipment. We actually do have a service contract in place, so we will be visiting him every 6 months to make sure that it's all in good working order. So for myself and everyone at JHM Butt, Martin, I wish you the very best for the future. I'm sure you're going to be a great success.